From high atop Healthcare Hill in Central Maryland, this is BSN Headline News. Today's top story is the Bon Secours Employee Engagement Survey is going on now through May 1st, 2016. Every year for the past 5 years, Bon Secours has won the Gallup Great Workplace Award, due in part to our outstanding performance in the Bon Secours Employee Engagement Survey. So if you don't know about the Bon Secours Employee Engagement Survey, listen up. Every year at this time, Bon Secours asks all of our employees to share their thoughts on our common workplace. Bon Secours recognizes that we all come from many different walks of life, yet we share the same workplace and come together as one Bon Secours. But to get there, we need to know what you think. Now, no one can talk for you, so here's your chance to step up and share your voice. Tell us what you think about your Bon Secours workplace. There is no question that we are stronger when we include your voice. So by now, you should have received the Employee Engagement Survey help sheet in the mail that includes your access code. But don't worry if you can't find it. You can still get your access code when you call in to take the survey. And you can take the survey in 3 easy steps. Step 1, call 1-866-888-6987. You can call that number 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but do it before May 1st. Step 2, enter your access code. If you forgot your access code or can't find it, just follow the prompts when you call in. Step 3, take the survey. All of the survey questions are in the help sheet you received in the mail, so no surprises. And the survey is completely confidential. So tell us what you think. The Bon Secours Employee Engagement Survey, going on now through May 1st. Step up and share your voice. In other news, Bon Secours has been named as one of the top 10 hospitals and health systems on Diversity Inc.'s Hospital and Health System Specialty List for 2016. Diversity Inc. is the dominant diversity publication with more web traffic and social media reach than most diversity publications. Their mission is to bring education and clarity to the business benefits of diversity. So every year since 2001, Diversity Inc. has ranked companies for diversity through their top 50 companies for diversity listing. In 2016, 1,800 companies participated in vying for positions on that list. Now, the Hospitals and Health Systems Specialty List uses a subset of the same data collected for the top 50 list. The annual survey tracks data collected from top companies about hiring, retaining, and promoting women and minorities, as well as people with disabilities, LGBT, and veterans. Companies on the Hospital and Health System list score well in talent pipeline, talent development, leadership commitment, and supplier diversity. They demonstrate best practices in employee resource group participation, manager participation in cross-cultural mentoring, executive diversity councils setting goals tied to executive compensation, and educating and mentoring diverse suppliers. According to Bon Secours Health System CEO Rich Statuto, we are proud to be recognized for our commitment and dedication to diversity and inclusion. Becoming a leader in diversity and inclusion has long been one of Bon Secours' top priorities. And Gloria Goins, Chief Diversity Officer of Bon Secours Health System, said, "In alignment with our mission, values, and Catholic identity, Our vision is to become a national healthcare leader in providing compassionate, inclusive, and culturally competent care. You can find out more about Diversity, Inc. and the 2016 rankings at www.diversityinc.com. Finally, Bon Secours has been recognized for outstanding efforts in immunizations by the National Adult and Influenza Immunization Summit, the NAIIS. The NAIIS was co-founded by Dr. L.J. Tan, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the National Vaccine Program Office. Each year, NAIIS recognizes the value and extraordinary contributions of individuals and organizations toward improved vaccination rates within their communities. And there are 5 categories of recognition: overall influenza season activities, immunization neighborhood champion, corporate campaign, adult immunization champion, and adult immunization publication award. Bon Secours was recognized as a National Adult Immunization Champion for its work to prioritize preventive service delivery across the health system. And you may not know it, but Bon Secours implemented a Medicare Shared Savings Program accountable care organization, the Good Help ACO, and targeted 140,000 Medicare beneficiaries in New York, Virginia, Maryland, Kentucky, and South Carolina. According to Bon Secours CEO Rich Statuto, I'm extremely proud of our team for their efforts to improve access to preventive services. This prestigious award demonstrates our commitment to providing care that is person-centric. In addition to prioritizing the Medicare annual wellness visits, every year Bon Secours vaccinates thousands of employees, patients, and uninsured or underinsured adults through no-charge community events, to which Dr. Marlon Priest, Bon Secours Chief Medical Officer, added, "These efforts are a part of Bon Secours' commitment to serve the vulnerable by addressing health disparities in the community and working with community leaders and groups to co-create healthier communities." I am thankful to all those who work so hard every day to help carry out this mission. Bon Secours, good help to those in need. Well, that's it for this week. Stay tuned to this portal for future up-to-the-minute information on these and other stories on BSN Headline News. I'm Dave Schlachter. Thanks for joining us. BSN Headline News is a production of Bon Secours Productions and is solely responsible for its content.